Namaste, everyone. Welcome to the meditation for today. Today, we are going to kind of not only conquer our anger, but also become aware of where it comes from, what has led us down this path, what creates our anger from within. And so, I have to warn you that this meditation is not easy, it is a little painful. It's going to maybe bring you back to a place of trauma. But don't worry, because that's part of this journey, and I'm here with you. Just listen to my voice, and I'll guide you through that part. Because at the very end, we're going to be at a higher level, and we're going to be feeling fantastic. So just bear through that little part, and we'll be okay. So, without further ado, let's get right to it. But if you have not stretched or done yoga, or you need to just do something to loosen up, sometimes we get stiff hips, stiff thighs, knees, whatever. So go ahead, pause the video, get some good stretching in, and once you're done, we're ready to go. So go ahead and get yourself into a nice, comfortable position. If you like to have your knees up, then by all means, have your knees up. If you need to do this lying down, we're all different. It's all everybody's journey. But whatever you do, just go ahead, get comfy, get cozy, and we're going to go ahead and start this meditation. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to practice some nice deep breaths. So everybody, I want you to take 4 nice deep breaths. Go ahead and close your eyes. No need to watch the video any longer. Just listen to my voice. So let's go right to it. Everybody, deep inhale. Gentle exhale. Inhale. Gentle exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Gentle exhale. Continue the breathing. Now, I want you to think about that situation. Maybe it's very current, that has kind of been eating at your mind. Something that has, when you're just relaxing, just brings into your emotions some anger out of nowhere. I want you to go ahead and relive that experience. I want you to witness that person upsetting you, your reaction to anger. I want you to just dive into it. Feel all these emotions of frustration and stress. Feel them rise within you, pulling you down almost. I want you to know this feeling. And now, I want you to speak out how you feel. I want you to tell the universe that you are angry. I want you to tell the universe that you're frustrated. And I want you to, most importantly, tell the universe that you are tired of feeling this way. So go ahead, voice it out to the universe. Show it your frustration. Show it that you deserve better. And now, let's go ahead and resume 4 more deep breaths. Inhale. Gentle exhale. Inhale. Gentle exhale. Inhale. Gentle exhale. In this moment of calm, I want you to go back to that feeling of anger, that feeling of frustration. I want you to allow that moment to live in your mind. I want you to continue the breathing, but I want you to dive back. Look back into your past to see where this feeling of disappointment, this feeling of anger emerged from. whatever it was, something from our childhood, something from our past that set these standards into your life. Something that created this conditioning to make you feel that things don't live up to your expectations or things hurt you. Look deep into yourself. I want you to see this person that let themselves to have anger control their life. I want you to look at this person that has created this existence for you. Manifest them to be real in front of your mind's eye. Look at them. Look them in their eye. This person that looks just like you is your ego. This person has held you back. It's created judgment, frustration, stress to always manifest in your life. This person has controlled you. Continue looking that evil, evil little thing in the eye. And I want you to tell it that it no longer is welcome in your life. I want you to know this person. Acknowledge that you let this person control you. And now I want you to imagine a door forming behind this person. Make this person walk out that door. Lock the door behind them. This person has now left. I want you to imagine the door now setting aflame, burning down to ash. A big, beautiful fire. That fire is removing that ego from your life completely. It's beautiful. Now, imagine a mirror emerging from those ashes. Look into that mirror. See that reflection of yourself within that mirror. How do you look now that that ego has dropped? Now that that ego has left? Are you smiling? Is there a natural glow with this person? Now imagine this beautiful, beautiful you stepping out of the mirror. This person is real. This person is the true you. This person is the no ego, true self of you. Look at each other. Smile. That true self, that is the unconditional love. That being knows no judgment, knows no hate, knows no anger, fear, none of these things. Now, imagine you wrapping your arms around them in a beautiful hug. Feel the joy rising out of you. Feel that powerful love. This person has always been there with you. This was always you. You had just let these little egos quiet that person down, held that person back. But now, that person is free. That person is there for you now. Your true self has emerged. Feel the smile. Feel the tears forming behind your eyes. Feel that love, that happiness. Whenever you start to feel anger, frustration, sadness, come back to this place. Come back to this mirror and watch your true self step out and give them a hug. Now, I invite you to stay in this moment. Enjoy this love that you have. When you're ready, open your eyes. Whenever we talk about growing as humans, whenever we talk about our spiritual development or just personal growth, we have to understand that we have many, many egos, not just one. We have an ego for jealousy. We have an ego for the different people in our lives. Only when you drop all egos can you truly set your true self free. Can you truly become that being of reflective love? And so anytime you feel any emotion that is not good or love, remember this meditation. Come back to this meditation and find your true self again and burn that door when that ego walks out. So I hope you guys enjoy this meditation. I was so happy to guide you through it. Namaste. Namago. Bye.